Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified issue on your Apple device. So guys, if you're trying to download or install some apps on your iPhone but you're facing this issue, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply open settings on your device and then scroll it below and tap on general, tap on software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, do this and after this scroll it below and now tap on date and time and set your date and time, and now scroll it below and tap on language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly. After this go back and now you have to simply go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device as well. So guys, do this and now go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset all settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to simply open the support app and wait here for some seconds. And from here select your iPhone, and from here you have to scroll it below and go to more, and now scroll it below all the way and from here go to storage, and from here you have to simply make sure that there is enough space on your iPhone to download and install new apps on your device. So I simply do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to simply open support app, and from here you can get any kind of help from the Apple team regarding this issue. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.